Skeletal system. Skeletal system is the frame for the body of animal, and it is made up of bones and cartilages. Human beings has 206 bones and few cartilages. Skeletal system is grouped into axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton. It includes skull, vertebral column, sternum and ribs. The skull contains 22 bones, and there are two sets of bones in human skull, cranial and facial. Cranium bones envelope and protect the brain. There are 8 flat bones in the cranium that are 1 ethmoid bone, 1 frontal bone, 1 occipital bone, 2 parietal bones, 1 sphenoid bone, and 2 temporal bones. The face contains 14 bones that are 2 inferior nasal conchae, 2 lacrimal bones, 1 mandible, 2 maxilla, 2 nasal bones, 2 palatine bones, 1 vomer, and 2 zygomatic bones. Hyoid bone is present at the base of buccal cavity. The lower jawbone, called the mandible, is the skull's only movable bone, and the only one not directly connected to the other bones of the skull. Ear contains 3 tiny bones, malleus, incus, and stapes, called ear ossicles. The vertebral column or spine runs along the back of the body and connects to the bones of the chest or thorax. It forms the central part of the skeleton. It protects the spinal cord and supports the skull. The vertebral column is divided into 5 regions: 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, fused sacral, and fused coccygeal. First vertebrae is atlas. Ribs are flat, narrow bones, and there are 12 pairs of ribs. The first 7 ribs are called true ribs because they are directly connected to the sternum. The primary functions of the ribs is to protect lungs and heart. The 8th, 9th, and 10th pair of ribs are connected to 7th rib with the help of the hyaline cartilage. These are called false ribs. 11th and 12th pair of ribs are not connected ventrally. Hence they are called as floating ribs.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.